Hello everyone. Today I want to make another cute Valentine project. The main items you need for this project are some cubes. I will be using these wooden cubes, and these are from the Dollar Tree. They are 2.25 inches. I will be using 4. You will also need some scrapbook paper in your favorite Valentine color and designs. I have these available here. If you would like to paint your blocks, make sure you have those paints close by. And any embellishments you want to add, have those close by also. Let's have some fun. I think I would like to paint these blocks. I have this paint that I found at Dollar Tree. It's a magenta. It's a vibrant pink color. Look at this. I also have this one. This is pink. And I have the white chalk paint. I think those will work really well. If I like, I can always add some glitter too, because we must have glitter in our lives, right? I am covering my blocks with some chalk paint. And this way I can see all the pretty colors stand out. There you go. I put a layer of the pink paint on first because I wanted to see what it would look like, but I was not happy with it, so the chalk paint's going to go on first, then we're going to put the pink paint on. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but you can see the wood grain through there. I want to cover that up. Now, if you don't mind that rustic look, then go ahead and go for that. Okay. Next one. I'm going to go ahead and paint my blocks now with my pink color. I'm going to paint all the blocks the same color. And then, of course, once the paint dries, I will go ahead and decorate each block. This paint from Dollar Tree is not as intense as I want it to be, so I will probably do a couple of coats. I'm going to let this dry first and then add another layer and see how that looks. Let me erase it. See? Can you see? I mean, it's a pretty color, right? I like it. I have completed my lovely Valentine cubes. Look at this. Are they adorable? I like them. I'm going to put them on my table. Or I could put it on the back table and stack it, like this. I could put it in a tier tray if I want, and do a double stack or something. I can do a lot with these. I can keep them in a row on the table, put them on the bookshelf. But these hearts here are scratch stickers. Look, let me show you. Now, as you're watching the video, you saw, right? I made an error. I put these on there and I forgot. I'm like, oh, I forgot the word. So I had to yank them off and start all over again. So don't forget, you got to put the words underneath first and then apply the sticker. So whoever picks this up, they can scratch this off. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? Oh, I like it. Hugs and kisses, it says. How adorable is that? It may leave a little mess. It's like playing the lottery. Look at that. Aren't they adorable? I love them. I hope you like my new lovely Valentine cubes and that you make some for yourselves. Thank you for stopping by. I will see you next time.